Is the vehicle registered to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, do not do that. 2060 taken off. You stay with the car. Stop! Put your hands up now! Get on the ground right now! Hey, I have to get on the stop resisting! You're adding more charges! No, I'm not resisting! I ain't going to!
The 5th of March, 2023, Bexley, Ohio. Bexley Police Department conducts a traffic stop for expired vehicle registration. The encounter results in a foot pursuit, a weapons discovery, and a felony conviction.
Hello, my name is Officer Davis. I'm with the Bexley Police Department. The reason why I pulled you over, because you tried to dip out on me. I saw your registration was expired.
I made a wrong turn. I stay on this street. I actually stay in this next house.
Okay. You have your driver's license, proof of insurance on you? You don't have it? You don't have a driver's license, or you don't have it on you?
I don't have it on me.
Okay. What's your, your social, your driver's license number?
No, I do not.
You don't have, is the vehicle registered to you?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
Tamara.
All right, hold tight for me. So I'm coming down Livingston or Main Street. I see the car. I see the plates are like more than likely expired. I haven't run it yet, but I'm like, I'm not. It's fine, whatever. As soon as I get close up to it, they dip off into the First Union or the First Union Bank thing, and then I just pull around and park. Well, then they come out and they sit there, and then they want to come back eastbound on Main Street, but then they see me, and then they come back and cut down Roosevelt, and I'm like, what are you doing? So then I swooped them, pulled them over. The registration is expired. She says she doesn't have her license either. I'm gonna chat her to see if she's valid or anything. There is a passenger.
It's 2 people?
Yes, it's 2 people.
They say why they were dipping?
She said she made a wrong turn, so then she just can't. She lives 2 houses up, is what she said. But her address on here is
2 houses up from where?
From here. I live 2 houses up from here, is what she said.
From Roosevelt?
Yeah, from where we're at right now, 2 houses up.
Okay.
I need to see who the passenger is though, and make sure he's good to take the car or whatever.
Well, we can deal with that later. Let's just
pull her out. All right. Okay, Miss Harris, I need you to step out of the vehicle for me.
All right, can I go in the house and pee real quick?
Unfortunately, I cannot let you do that. I will make every effort to get you to the restroom as soon as possible.
So what am I stepping out the car for?
Because you have 2 warrants for your arrest.
2 warrants?
2 warrants, yes ma'am.
What's the warrants for?
I can explain all that to you once you get back in my cruiser.
I would like to know what's my warrants for before I get into the
Okay, I need you to step out of the cruiser. Step out of your car right now, ma'am. I need you to step out of the car right now. I need you to step. You're making this worse. Like, don't make this worse. It's like, it's traffic stuff. Like, don't make this worse. Don't add another charge. Don't elongate this stop. Like, let's just get this over with and be done with it. Don't make this worse. Don't add other charges to this. So you're gonna turn some traffic warrants into a criminal offense. Miss Harris, step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle now. 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 Don't do that. Do not do that. Do not do that. 2060 taking off. She's on foot running. Will you stay with the car? I'm on foot behind her. now. Get on the fucking ground right now. Get on the fucking ground right now. Get on the ground now. Get on the fucking ground right now.
Hey, I have to
get on the fucking ground.
Stop
Get on the ground.
Stop.
Get on the fucking ground. Stop playing with me.
Bro, you're not about to keep choking.
You not. Ain't nobody choke you. Roll over.
Stop, my ankle hurt.
Get on. I don't give a shit that took off running.
Ouch. Shit.
26. I got one at gunpoint.
Oh.
Open up, man. Come here.
They taking me out the car. I ain't.
You got anything on you?
Code 3. We start a minute.
Do that shit, man.
All right.
I copy.
Nothing, man.
Same thing you do. So we get this figured out. We're gonna sit in the car, okay?
All right.
Just leave your phone right there.
Okay. Well, can I hang it up?
Well, I'll get that to you. Just hang on.
I ain't got nothing to do with none of that, man.
Okay. What's your name, bud?
Rashid.
Rashid?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you call the ambulance?
No. Roll over. Get on your fucking stomach now.
Hey.
No! Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach now. Get on your stomach now. Get on your stomach now. Get on your stomach now.
Roll over.
Stop resisting. You're adding more charges. No, I'm not resisting. You are. So bad. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
Stop resisting.
I got one.
All right. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
You got it?
That's for life.
I can't breathe.
Stop resisting. Roll over.
No, wow! Get off of me!
Want to help? Okay. Man, what's your name?
I have all that. Don't worry about it. Sit up, Miss Harris. Sit up.
I'm gonna help you up, okay? Relax. Hey, relax.
No, I don't want to.
Is somebody with the car? There's somebody in the car. Her brother or somebody.
Help you up, okay? Okay, we can't
She
help
said
you.
she
We
hurt her
gotta get you
ankle
up
when she
first.
took off running.
Here, sit up. There you go.
Yeah, I'll sit there with her all night. She going to jail. I can't believe she. Alright. It was traffic. It was literally like traffic warrants. And I'm like, hey, you got some traffic warrants. And then she just takes off.
Did she fall?
I don't know. I didn't see her fall. When I like, she turned the corner, so I obviously tied off, come around the corner, so she kind of got some distance on me. But then when I get up here, I drew down on her. I'm like, get on the ground. And like, she fell down. She was already like, she was going down. And then she's like, oh, my ankle, my ankle.
Do you think she slipped in the mud?
I'm sure she did. Like, she's heavier and
She lost
you know what I'm saying?
She lost her shoe.
I'm positive she like stumbled or tripped somewhere.
Okay.
Who was that to you? Who was she to you?
That's my friend.
Okay.
That's my homegirl.
Okay. You got some ID on you?
I don't have my ID, but I got my wallet.
Okay. You got any kind of ID on you?
A birth certificate. Like, I'm on probation right now, man. I ain't.
Okay. What are you on probation for?
I'm on probation for child support.
Okay. Broomfield?
Yeah. Like, I didn't listen, man. I was telling her to take me.
I'm with the vehicle. I got the passenger detained.
I was telling her to take me home. You feel me? She made the wrong turn, and then when we turned down the street, I guess the officer pulled up on us or whatever.
Okay.
She had cut the car off. She said, all right, they're about to cut the lights off. I said, all right, well, just cut the car off, stop the car.
Yeah.
Boom. I'm sitting there talking to her. I'm like, look.
Spell your first name again.
Rasheed. Yeah, like I was telling her, like, just take me to the crib. She was gonna take me home, and then that's when we had got stopped. And then I guess they had ran her name and all that, and said she had 2 warrants. And I'm like, well, look, man, just get out the car and let them do their job.
This is all just for traffic warrants. Ridiculous.
Stupid.
So.
Stupid. And look, I'm telling her, I'm like, look, get that handled. You feel me? She like, well, I ain't going to jail. I said, bro, please, bro, just go get shit taken care of. Like, I'm not trying to, I don't have time for this. So then when she did what she did, I'm like, look, I ain't trying to have no parts in this, man.
Okay. Who are you on the phone with?
My cousin.
Okay. Where are you trying to get to?
His house.
Where's that at?
Out north.
Up north. Okay.
And I was telling her, I said, well, look, let me just take, if you go to jail, let me just take your car.
Yeah.
And I'll park it over there. That way, when you get out, your car be good, your phone and all that'll be good.
Yeah. Like I said, this was all unnecessary. All right, just give me a second, okay? Just put your foot in there.
Thank you.
You don't have any warrants or anything. You said you're on probation?
No, I'm not. I'm on probation, man.
Okay. All right. So, all right.
Yeah.
All right. Just sit tight for me, okay?
All right.
Legal basis for the Stop Ohio Revised Code, Section 4503.11, requires current registration on all operating vehicles. Expired plates provide reasonable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. Yi E. Joe Loba. The driver also had no license in possession of first-degree misdemeanor under Ohio Revised Code Section 4507.02. Authority to order exit Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 434 U.S. 106-1977. The Supreme Court held that during any lawful traffic stop, an officer may order the driver out of the vehicle as a matter of course. No additional justification is required. Refusal constitutes obstruction under Ohio Revised Code, Section 2921.31. Warrant arrest standard. Outstanding warrants establish probable cause for custodial arrest. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 3182001 confirms that custodial arrest for minor offenses is constitutionally permissible when probable cause exists. The officer had full legal authority to arrest before the subject refused or fled. Flight from Lawful Arrest, Ohio. Revised Code Section 2921.331 criminalizes failure to comply with a lawful police order. Under Illinois v. Wardlow 528 U.S. 1192-000, flight from police constitutes evidence of consciousness of guilt. Flight from a warrant arrest adds a standalone criminal charge on top of the original warrants. Use of force standard. Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386-1989. Courts evaluate 3 factors: the severity of the offense, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. All 3 factors here supported the physical control used. Reasonableness is judged from the officer perspective at the moment of the decision, not with hindsight. Weapons charges. Ohio Revised Code Section 2923.13 prohibits any person convicted of a felony of violence from possessing a firearm. The subject had a prior felonious assault conviction. A firearm was recovered from the vehicle she was operating. Ohio Revised Code Section 2923.16 additionally prohibits transporting an accessible firearm in a motor vehicle. Outcome: the subject pled guilty to Ohio Revised Code Section 2923.16 inches, March 2024. Sentence 12 months in prison imposed consecutively to other pending cases. Total aggregate sentence 4 years and 9 months. No Fourth Amendment violation. No civil rights claim under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 was identified. Key lessons: refusal to comply with a lawful exit order under Mimms adds obstruction charges. Flight from a warrant arrest under Section 2921.331 triggers additional felony exposure. A prior felony conviction creates a permanent firearms disability under Section 2923.13. Each decision at the scene directly determined the legal outcome.